What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back in another pickup. Today we got a pair of shoes coming straight from Adidas. These are, of course, none other than the Adizero Goukana. And the thing that makes this shoe special is that not only did they step it up in the quality of this shoe, but they also stepped up the quality in the box. For those of you who don't know, Goukana is Japanese for something that's luxurious as well as gorgeous. So let's see exactly what one pair of gorgeous $160 shoes gets you. All right, so I brought out a box of the Light Blaze Glow, which is an underrated shoe. Just want to show you guys how different the box is. This looks like just a plain cardboard box. You can see the waves in it, right? Seemingly so. And then when you look at these, you see that? A little bit of a texture to it. It's still cardboard. However, it kind of feels like a canvas a little bit, which is a nice little touch. But let's get back to the shoe. So, elephant in the room, baby girl is asleep. Well, both asleep, but this one, she has to be in my shoulders, be in my arms. So we're gonna bear with me on this one. So what does 160 get you? It can get you these. However, if you're able to get these on sale like I did with the discount code, it'll drop it down to 120. And you're probably wondering, who is this shoe for? And some of you guys are wondering, doesn't this shoe look familiar? And I'll be honest, this shoe is going to be for the person who's into streetwear as well as into performance. This is a mixture of both, more so on the heavier side of the streetwear, and then performance, kind of like a 60-40. And like I said, this shoe does favor the Balenciagas. Some of you guys are going to say Balenciaga 3X, but I think these favor the Balenciaga 6X because these are a little bit more exaggerated as far as the midsole goes. But you know, for 120, I think this is a good step in the right direction. All right, so immediately the first thing I noticed about this shoe is a little bit of padding right here. They're going to call this the heel foam pad. Now it is that, however, don't mistaken it for being a cushioning piece that's on the inside of the shoe. It's purely on the outside of the shoe. So I just wanted to point that out. It's not on the inside, but what is on the inside is a nice little stamping right here. Let you know OGLA. I went with a 10.5 on these. I recommend going half a size up. They're a little bit narrow. On the inside, you're gonna get Adizero Adidas right here. Wait, can you guys see that? Can you guys see? There we go. So yeah, nothing too crazy. Just regular sole. Now the tech they use on this is going to be the Lightstrike. As you guys can see, the branding's right here. These are, of course, Adidas, so you see the branding right here. These have a good amount of traction right here. Look on the sole. You guys can see that? Good amount of traction on these bad boys. Adizero right here, a little bit more of the branding. And then on the front, get the same thing, Adizero Adidas. That's it as far as the branding. Of course, you have the 3 stripes right here, and the 3 stripes right here. Now these are reflective, has hints of reflectability. I'll show you guys that again a little bit later. Reflect, 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 reflect. And then same thing on this side. Now who is this shoe for? Like I said, this is gonna be for the person that's big on style and a little bit on performance. And, oh, I just noticed this. This leather? Looks like there's leather in the back. I didn't even notice that. So that's pretty cool too. What I was saying. So you have an upper mesh right here. This shoe is really gonna be for as far as styling looks and then hints of performance. Now you do have the mesh overlay, which will give you a little bit of performance. And then the more I look at it, the more I like it. But just off first glance, I was like, I'll try it out because it's new. I think this is the 3rd colorway or 2nd colorway. I think these came out originally in July. So these are still fairly new. Now on the website, it says you cannot, these are excluded from the promo, will not apply. I don't know why, because I got mine discounted. So if you see this video early, one of those people that subscribe, try it now. It may be glitched, but I got mine for 120, so I'll show you how to screenshot a little bit later, but hey, it is what it is. A win's a win, baby. All right, now can you slip these things on with no hands? If you got them pre-laced the way I do, yeah, you can do that, no problem. And then as far as the height boost on these, conservatively, I'm gonna say you're gonna get about 2 inches. I know on the ruler it looks a little bit more, but you kind of sink in just a little bit. So probably like right around here, and that'll put you right at 2 inches. Like I said, these are not bad as far as comfort goes, but you know what? I'm being rough on these. These are solid, man. These you do feel a little responsiveness. I wouldn't run in these, but if you had to go somewhere and just wear these, you know, like actually just wear them, you'll be comfortable in these. As far as slipping these things off with no hands, yeah, you can do that, no problem. Share with your sister. Be your sister a piece. She looking at you. Give her a piece. Give her a nice little piece. Yep, give it to her. You don't want another shot? Daddy, give her a piece.
Yum, 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 yum. Yummy in my tummy.
Yummy, yummy from my tummy. Say Care Bears.
Care Bear.
Care Bears. No fear.
In my heart.
No fear.
In my heart.
No fear.
In my heart.
Oh.